Do you know that creating dashboard in Planning Analytics Workspace is easier and faster than assembling IQ wardrobe? Hi, my name is Adam from Aramar, and in this video I will show you how I built a simple and interactive book in IBM Planning Analytics Workspace. Before we start building, let me show you the books I created this morning for my colleague Gary from Sales. Books that he should be able to create himself but couldn't be bothered to do so. Okay, moving on. To create book, from the main page you can navigate to the home menu, then click new and select book. This will bring you to Pour Book blank page. In this page you can add objects such as cube view or tables with filters, visualization charts, text, images, videos, URL links, shapes and action button. You can access object menu on the left side of the page. Also, you can change properties of the page such as its page size, resolution, aspect ratio, color theme, and many other. The properties menu is located on the top right hand side of the page. Now let me adjust my page before moving on. Done. In this example, I would like to create two simple pages that shows sales revenue and sales quantity cube view. So I will name the first tab as sales revenue. Now let's start by adding a cube view or table to the sales revenue page. Cube view is a table representation of your database cube. I'm opening sales revenue view that I created in gross margin cube. This view shows products on the rows and last 12 months period on the column. I will talk about how to create views in the next video. Next, I want to add filter to my view. I need the data to be filtered on company and customer dimensions. To create filters, I can drag and drop company and customer's dimension from the context area to the top of the view. Now I have my filter. All I need to do is to synchronize the view to the filter. To do that, I will use the view property menu. To access it, I can click the view, and now the properties menu will change to the object that I selected, which is the view. Navigate to the synchronize tab. Under hierarchy, I can select which dimension I want to synchronize with the selector. Now let's test that.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End of test.
It works. The numbers are changing when I change the filters. Next, I would like to create sales quantity page that contains tables for sales quantity. To do this, I can just duplicate the page and name it sales quantity. And the identical page will be created. Now all I need to do is to replace sales revenue view with sales quantity. I will also need to synchronize the table with the filter. With the two pages created, now I would like to save this book. I can save this book by using Save button on the toolbar. I will also create folder to store the book. Then finally, create a name for the book and save it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Aramar's YouTube channel for more planning analytics on cloud content. This is Adam from Aramar, signing out.